The Akrapovic Full Moon concept is a futuristic motorcycle that looks like it rolled out of a science fiction film. Built by the famous exhaust company Akrapovic, this stunning bike was made to impress, not to be sold. Its most eye-catching feature is the giant 30-inch front wheel, which blends perfectly into the body, making it look like a full moon, hence the name. The body is made of carbon fiber and metal, making it strong but lightweight. Everything from the engine to the exhaust is smoothly built into the bike's sleek design. Even the exhaust system is fully integrated into the body, showing off Akrapovic's high-level craftsmanship. One unique feature is its hydraulic suspension, which allows the bike to stand on its own without a kickstand. It's not built for everyday use or speed. It's a one-of-a-kind concept that pushes the limits of creativity and engineering. The Full Moon isn't just a motorcycle. It's a work of art on wheels. Aquafunny Water Tricycle, the most fun you can have on water. The Aquafunny Water Tricycle, also called a sea bike or beach tractor, is a fun and easy way to enjoy the water with your family. It's specially designed for beach trips, water parks, and calm water adventures. This floating trike can hold 2 adults and 1 child at a time, making it perfect for family rides. It's super simple to use, even easier than a regular bicycle, so anyone can hop on and start pedaling across the water without needing any special skills. You can ride it smoothly into the water and back onto land with no trouble. For sunny days, there's even a spot to add an umbrella for shade, and if it gets too windy, you can add water into the wheels for extra stability. The trike isn't built for speed. It only goes up to 5.6 miles per hour, but it's perfect for relaxing and having fun, especially for kids. Gravity Bike, the fastest bike without a motor. The Gravity Bike is here to show that you don't need a motor to go fast, just a good downhill road and a brave heart. This unique bike is built for one thing: speed. It uses gravity to race down slopes, reaching insane speeds of up to 129 kilometers per hour. At first glance, the Gravity Bike might look a bit odd or even funny. It's small, low to the ground, and has a homemade feel. But once it starts rolling downhill, it becomes a true speed machine. The low design helps it stay stable and move fast, making every ride feel like a thrill ride. And the best part? You don't have to just watch others do it. You can build your own. There's a complete guide available on Instructables.com that shows how to make a gravity bike step by step. It's a fun project for anyone who loves speed, bikes, or building cool things. You can even come up with your own ideas to make it better. Halbrad, the tiny bike that's big on convenience. The Halbrad is a super compact and clever bike made for people who want to stay on the move with ease. Designed by a creative German inventor, this little bike is only 31 inches long, but still has everything you need: 2 wheels, 2 brakes, and 2 gears. It's perfect for quick trips around the city, like going to work, running errands, or catching public transport. You can even carry it with you into the office or a store without any trouble. Because of its small size, it's much less likely to get stolen. One of its coolest features is that the pedals can be used as a stand, so it stays upright without needing extra parts. Made from strong steel, the Halbrad weighs about 22 pounds, light enough to carry but sturdy enough for everyday use. It's designed for city life, where space is limited and convenience matters. The price is around $1,770, and because of part shortages, there might be a wait of up to 20 weeks to get one. Hannen Custom Chopper Bike, a one-of-a-kind ride that everyone notices. The Hannen Custom LS300 is not your everyday bike. It's a head-turning masterpiece made by Canadian builder Eric Hannen. Only 23 of these custom choppers exist, making it a rare and special ride. With its super low seating and heavy build, you can feel the power in every move. This bike isn't about speed or comfort. It's all about style and attitude. Speed bumps? Forget it. Sometimes you even have to give it a little push to get going. But once you're riding, everyone around you takes notice. The LS300 comes in 2 versions, one you pedal and another electric-powered. Both look bold, powerful, and totally unique. Riding this bike feels more like cruising in a piece of art. It's not made for everyday travel. It's made to stand out and impress. One owner joked that the bike doesn't just get attention, it empties your wallet too. invisible bike that looks straight out of the future. A creative bike builder from Hong Kong has made something truly eye-catching, a fully working bicycle that looks almost invisible. Every part of this bike is made using clear materials, so when you look at it, you can actually see the road through the frame. Even the chain looks like it's floating in midair. It's like riding a bike from the future. But instead of disappearing, this bike grabs attention everywhere it goes. People stop and stare because it's so different and cool. What's even more amazing is that it's not just a showpiece. It actually works like a normal bike. You can ride it just like any other, but it feels like you're flying on glass. It's the perfect mix of art, creativity, and practical design. This transparent bike makes us imagine a future where bikes don't have to follow the same old style. LFN bike. Pedal like never before. Say goodbye to traditional bike pedals and get ready for a whole new way to ride. The LFN bike changes everything by replacing the classic circular pedaling motion with an up and down stepping action. Just like the machines you'd find at the gym. Instead of sitting and spinning your legs, you ride standing up, using a 20-inch vertical motion for each step. It's a fun workout and a totally different biking experience. If you get tired, no problem. The 350-watt front wheel motor will take over and carry you for up to 20 miles. It can reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour and even includes a specially designed 7-speed gear system invented by the bike's creators. Of water and wheels, a bicycle made of ice. Have you ever imagined riding a bicycle made out of ice? Sounds impossible, right? But a group of inventive creators turned that wild idea into reality. They used a special material called pykrete, made from 86% water mixed with wood pulp like sawdust or paper. It may look like regular ice, but pykrete is 4 times stronger and melts much more slowly. Believe it or not, it was once suggested as a material to build warships during World War II. Though it's not commonly used today, it was perfect for this unique project. The builders carefully formed the bike layer by layer, freezing all the parts together with fasteners inside. The result is a fully working bicycle made almost entirely of ice. Yes, it actually works. It's not meant for everyday use, but it's a brilliant example of creativity and pushing boundaries. Rick Ross e-bike, a cool blend of retro style and modern tech. What do you get when you mix classic custom bike vibes with the latest electric tech? You get something like the Rick Ross e-bike, a bold, stylish, and powerful electric ride. Each bike is handcrafted and takes over 200 hours to build, turning it into more than just transportation. It's a piece of art. It can hit speeds up to 30 miles per hour and travel around 30 miles on a full charge, which takes about 4 hours. Whether you want a two-wheeler or a trike, the makers can customize it just for you. With a price tag of $7,000 to $8,000, it's not cheap, but that hasn't stopped fans around the world. Over 50 people have already bought their own, and many more are lining up, not just to order, but to learn how to build them. Rungu Juggernaut, the off-road electric bike that conquers everything. The Rungu Juggernaut is not your average bike. It's a powerful off-road electric machine built to take on the toughest terrains. What makes it stand out is its unique design with 2 front wheels, giving it extra balance and control. Whether you're riding through deep mud, soft sand, or thick snow, this beast handles it all with ease. It can go up to 32 kilometers on a single charge and ride smoothly even in freezing temperatures as low as minus 20 degrees Celsius. Built for real adventure, the Rungu Juggernaut isn't just a cool idea, it's a full production model, available for around $4,300. With the kind of grip and stability it offers, riding it feels more like controlling an ATV than a regular bike. It's perfect for hunters, campers, off-road explorers, or anyone who loves wild outdoor adventures. Schiller S1C, the amazing bike that floats on water. The Schiller S1C is a super cool bike that lets you ride on water instead of roads. It's like a mix between a bicycle and a small boat. This fun water bike has inflatable pontoons that keep it floating, and the whole thing folds up small enough to fit in the trunk of your car. You can set it up in just 10 minutes, making it perfect for a quick water adventure. It can hold up to 136 kilograms, so you can even bring a friend or some gear along for the ride. Instead of steering a front wheel like a regular bike, you use the handlebars to control a propeller, which helps you move through the water smoothly. The seat feels just like a normal bicycle, so it's easy and comfortable to ride. The pontoons also have built-in storage for your stuff, making your trip even more convenient. Snowboard bike, a crazy new way to ride sideways. The snowboard bike is a wild invention that mixes the fun of snowboarding with the thrill of biking. But here's the twist. You ride it sideways. This bike has two separate handlebars and two independent wheels. The right handlebar steers the front wheel, and the left one controls the back. It might sound a bit strange at first, but once you try it, it's a totally new and exciting way to ride. It gives you amazing control and a super smooth flowing ride, almost like carving down a mountain on a snowboard. People all over the world, from China to the US, are talking about it. Journalists and bike lovers can't stop praising its creative design and clever engineering. The snowboard bike isn't just about looking cool, it's about thinking differently. It shows what can happen when someone dares to break the rules and dream big. Stance bike, the cool lowrider bike that can drop and lift itself. The Stance bike is one of the coolest custom bikes you'll ever see. It looks like it rolled straight out of a lowrider movie, with a bold design that instantly grabs attention. What makes it even more awesome is its special suspension system that lets the bike drop down low or lift up high, just like a custom car. It's super fun to watch and even more fun to ride. This isn't your regular bike. The only normal part is the section between the handlebars and the seat. Everything else was built from scratch to give it a totally unique look and feel. And here's the biggest surprise. This amazing custom ride was sold for just $272. That's right, a head-turning, fully custom bike for less than the price of a basic smartphone. It might just be the coolest and most affordable custom bike ever made. Stand-up Verabike, a fun bike that gives you a full-body workout. The stand-up Verabike isn't just for riding. It's a fun and powerful way to exercise while you move. This smart bike lets you use both your legs and arms at the same time, giving you a full-body workout with every ride. It feels like you're rowing, skiing, and cycling all at once. That means you're not just pedaling, you're building strength and burning calories too. The bike comes with 4 gears and 5 different riding styles, so you can change things up depending on how hard or easy you want your ride to be. Whether you're going to work or just out for fun, this bike keeps your body moving and your energy high. The best part? It folds up easily, so you can carry it in a car trunk or even take it on a bus. No need for a gym when your bike is the workout. The Verge TS Pro is a next-level electric motorcycle that combines futuristic style with powerful performance. Its most eye-catching feature is the hubless rear wheel, which not only looks amazing but also holds the motor inside, making the bike smooth and efficient. This high-tech machine can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, thanks to its powerful motor that delivers up to 1,000 newton-meters of torque. With a top speed of around 124 miles per hour and a range of up to 217 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for both city rides and long road trips. Charging is quick too, so you won't be stuck waiting for hours. The bike includes a smart touchscreen display that gives you all the information you need while riding. The Verge TS Pro is designed for riders who love speed, cutting-edge design, and quiet, clean electric power. Whether you're cruising through the city or exploring the open road, this bike promises a thrilling and stylish experience.